For United States home decor lovers seeking a peaceful touch of elegance, meet the indoor tabletop fountain with 4-tier stone bowls and rolling crystal ball. A stunning centerpiece designed to bring balance, serenity, and visual charm into your home or office. This compact fountain features 4 gently flowing tiers inspired by natural stone, each creating a soft cascade of water that soothes your mind and relieves stress. At the top sits a vibrant spinning crystal ball, illuminated by color-changing LED lights that dance with the water, creating a calming, magical glow, especially in the evening. Crafted from lightweight yet durable resin, the realistic stone texture adds an earthy, grounded feel to any surface, whether it's your desk, bookshelf, meditation corner, or bedroom side table. Setup is effortless. Just place it, fill it with water, plug it in, and let the tranquility begin. No plumbing, no batteries, just quiet operation and visual peace, wherever you place it. Whether you're designing a mindful workspace or creating a cozy retreat, this fountain adds a natural rhythm and meditative sound to your daily life. A perfect gift for USA families, friends, or yourself. Bring home serenity, bring home light, bring home the beauty of water with the 4-tier LED crystal fountain. For United States home decor lovers looking to bring peace and beauty into their space, introducing the 4-tier tabletop waterfall fountain, a compact, calming accent designed to transform your home or office into a peaceful retreat. Crafted from durable ABS plastic and topped with natural river rocks, this elegant fountain features 4 gently cascading tiers, each creating a soft, meditative stream of water. Watch the LED-lit bubble ball shimmer as the water flows, adding a warm glow to your bedroom, desk, or bathroom sink. It's lightweight, easy to install, and runs silently, perfect for work-from-home spaces or cozy night ambiance.